So hello and welcome guys. In this video I will teach you that how can you increase your Telegram channel post views. Okay, so this is a mainly paid tool which as we are going to give you free for free. Okay, please join our Telegram channel. Okay, Indian Watchdogs official. At here you will get this tool, and now let's begin without wasting the time. And here we will give you the tool. This one, Telegram views tool paid inwards.zip. Okay, just right click on it, 7-zip, extract it. The password of this tool is @Indian Watchdogs. Which one? This one. This is the password. Just extract it. Okay, done. Come on this folder. You need to download Python for using this tool. This is a totally open source tool. You can also read all the codes at here. You can also manually change this code. This code was mainly use free proxies to increase the views of your Telegram post. Okay, you can also check this config ini file. This is the URL list from where this tool get the free proxies. Okay, you can also add more URLs at here. Okay, this is the requirement.txt. You need to install these packages in Python for running this tool. Okay, now let's start CMD. Now check my Python version at here. So my Python version is 3.9.0. This is a very good version for this tool. Okay, now type pip install -r, then requirements.txt to install all the packages. Okay, this will install all the packages. I already installed the packages. Now you just need to run this tool. Just drag and drop this tool at here and click on enter. Okay, now here this tool want the post URL where you want to increase the followers, views. Okay, so let me post something at here like, hi, this is our beans channel. Okay, this is a test post for fake views. Okay, let's go delete. Okay, so as you can see here the view is 1. Let's copy the URL, post URL, and as you can see, let me paste the post URL at here, cancel it. Now as you can see the views is 3 right now. Okay, 3. So now we are going at here and pasting the post URL and click on enter. Then it was starting the threads. Just wait for some time. Now as you can see the threads are started and live views also counting at here. Okay, just wait for some seconds. So I waited for some time. As you can see the threads are getting much, and also the live counting of the views are increasing. As you can see these views are increased, and also it will change time by time. Someone posted something. Wait, as you can see 72. You can also refresh from here to check the live counting at here 3. Let's refresh it. As you can see 82. it was continuously increasing. Okay, 88, 94. So this paid tool was working successfully. So guys, please join our Telegram channel. Okay, for this type paid tools we are giving free, and this is a totally educational purpose video. Please don't use this tool to harm someone, or don't sell this tool, because we are giving you this tool for free, totally free. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like our video, and also share this video to your loved one. Thank you.